Tesla continues to lead the charge for electric vehicles in North America. Recently, both General Motors and Ford have announced plans to switch from the combined charging system CCS1 charging connector to Tesla's North American charging standard NACS connector. It looks like Tesla may be driving the CCS1 charging standard to extinction. In this video, we will explore the implications of this decision and why it could be a game changer for the automotive industry. What is the CCS1 standard? The CCS1 standard, or Combined Charging System Level 1, is a charging standard that was developed to allow electric vehicles to charge quickly and easily at public charging stations. The standard was created by a group of automakers, including Ford and GM, as well as charging station companies and utilities, in order to create a unified charging infrastructure for electric vehicles. CCS1 is a fast charging system that allows electric vehicles to be charged at up to 350 kilowatts. The system is designed to be compatible with a range of electric vehicle models and is already being used by a number of automakers worldwide, including Volkswagen and Audi. However, despite its wide-ranging support, the CCS1 standard is facing significant challenges due to the actions of a single company, Tesla. Why did Tesla abandon the standard? Tesla's decision to abandon the CCS1 charging standard was primarily driven by competition from Ford and GM. Both of these major automakers were heavily invested in the CCS1 standard, with Ford stating that it will be the sole charging option for its upcoming electric vehicles. This means that Tesla would be left at a disadvantage if it continued to rely solely on its own proprietary charging technology. In addition to competition from other automakers, Tesla also faced pressure from industry groups and organizations like EVs to adopt the CCS1 standard. Many experts argue that a standardized charging protocol is essential for the long-term growth and sustainability of the electric vehicle market. However, Tesla remains steadfast in its commitment to its own technology. Tesla's NACS standard has been in use in the US and Canada since the launch of the Tesla Model S. The connector works for home charging as well as for DC fast charging at Tesla superchargers or other fast charging sites with the use of an adapter. The Tesla supercharger network has excellent reliability and the NACS plug is smaller and lighter. Overall, this provides a superior experience for customers. In 2022, Tesla opened the supercharger network to all automakers via what is referred to as the Magic Dock. This allows CCS1 cars to connect to select Tesla superchargers by way of an adapter that is attached to the charging station. Now that Ford and GM are switching to NACS, Tesla's gamble seems to have paid off in North America anyway. What Ford owners can expect. Starting early 2024, Mustang Mach-E, F-150 Lightning, and E-Transit customers will be able to access the superchargers via an adapter. In 2025, Ford will offer next-generation electric vehicles with the NACS connector built in, eliminating the need for an adapter to access Tesla's superchargers. What GM owners can expect. GM appears to be operating at a similar rollout time as Ford. Starting in the spring of 2024, a Tesla supercharging network will be open to GM EV owners, initially requiring an NACS to CCS1 adapter. In 2025, GM will begin to integrate the NACS inlet in new EVs for direct access to Tesla superchargers without an adapter. GM will also integrate the Tesla supercharging network into its vehicle and mobile apps, helping drivers quickly and easily locate, pay for, and initiate charging at available Tesla superchargers. What does this mean for the future of electric vehicles? With Ford, General Motors, and smaller companies like Aptera adopting Tesla's charging standard, it appears that Tesla is emerging as the dominant force in the competition for North American EV charging standards. The impact of Tesla, Ford, and GM potentially killing the CCS1 charging standard cannot be overstated. CCS1 is currently the dominant charging standard for electric vehicles in Europe, and its adoption is rapidly growing across the globe. If it does indeed become obsolete in North America, it could have a ripple effect around the world. This decision would result in the lack of a unified and standard charging system for EVs. The already established charging infrastructure would need to be reworked and updated to accommodate a new standard, and consumers would need to purchase new charging cables or adapters for their vehicles. All this would come at a cost, causing inconvenience and unnecessary expenses for EVs owners. So what do you think about Ford and GM adopting Tesla's charging standard? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.